Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax return as a new user. First, confirm if you are required to file based on your income and age. Next, gather all necessary documents, including W-2s from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Finally, determine your correct filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household, as this impacts your tax liability. Once your documents are ready, select a filing method that suits you. You can use tax software, hire a professional, or file with paper forms. Many free filing options are available if your adjusted gross income is below $79,000. Electronic filing is generally faster and reduces errors, ensuring a smoother process for your return. Now, carefully enter all your income, deductions, and credits into your chosen filing system. Double-check every entry to avoid mistakes that could delay your refund or lead to penalties. Once everything is accurate, sign your return electronically or physically and submit it before the deadline to ensure timely processing. After submitting your return, you can track your refund status online using the IRS Where's My Refund tool. It's crucial to keep copies of all your tax documents, including the filed return and supporting records, for at least 3 years. This helps if you ever need to reference them or respond to an inquiry. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.